The tensions between the US and China is heating up again, and Latin America is caught in the middle. Washington has recently imposed new visa restrictions on people accused of working for Chinese Communist Party in Central America. In the meantime, Beijing didn't take it lightly. Officials in China called it groundless slander and accused the US of trying to stir problems in Latin America. But wait, there is more. Venezuela, already struggling under heavy sanctions, is reportedly considering a deal to buy 20 advanced Chinese J-10C fighter jets. Let me tell you, each jet cost about $40 million, and that too with financing plans to help Venezuela afford the purchase despite the US sanctions. These are not just any planes. These are modern, highly capable fighter jets which could dramatically change the balance of power in the South America. Now, for the US, this is a red flag in its own backyard. Analysts warn that if the deal goes through, it could weaken America's influence in that particular region, while giving China a stronger foothold in Latin America. Now, this particular move could turn into a new flashpoint between the two of the world's largest powers, with Venezuela becoming the stage for their growing rivalry. Basically, in simple terms, the US is angry because China is expanding its influence near its territory. China is angry because it feels that the US is trying to block its global ambitions. And Venezuela? Well, it could get some of the most advanced fighter jets in Latin America, tripling the military balance and making the United States really nervous. So here's the bottom line. The J-10C jet deal isn't just about buying planes. It is about power, it is about influence, it is about strategy. With the US and China already locked in competition worldwide, even a single jet sale in Venezuela can ripple into a major geopolitical showdown.